Pack your bags, let's sail away to the land of opportunity. Richard Hart has changed the game. He raised the bar, now DeFi will never be the same. I'm with the captain and we're making it happen. No one's ever stopping this community. We got the fire, we got the flame, and no one ever's gonna stand in our way. The haters are gonna hate as the cruise ship pulls away. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go down to Mexico. We're crashing all the parties and we're driving Maseratis. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go down to Mexico. Roads paved with gold, truth be told, we're changing lives. Hex 5555, I stake that hex to stay alive. The captain chilling with the BlackSheep, we rapping and packing our bags. We're blessed to wake up every day, cause we're on the bullshit. I'm with the captain and we're making it happen. No one's ever stopping this community. We got the fire, we got the flame, and no one ever's gonna stand in our way. In Mexico, the haters are gonna hate as the cruise ship pulls away. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go down to Mexico. We're crashing all the parties and we're driving Maseratis. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go down to Mexico. Had to join cause you couldn't beat us. Now you got financial freedom. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go down to Mexico. And the beat is gonna beg, and we're all gonna be rich. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go down to Mexico.
What's up, D-Gens? We got Romex, She-Wolf, we got Jay-Z. Validator NFTs are pretty cool. I think they're pretty cool too. We got Candy Wilbar in the house. What up? We're going down to Hexaco. That's right. That is what we're doing. Via Pulse Chain. And I see a couple of people got the magic word of the day. Money printer go brr. Or brr. Or whatever. Oh shit. Yeah, so yeah, fucking market go brr. Fucking wreck for sure. We got a little looks like we're gonna have a little double toppy action here. We got the fucking Feds pulling their bullshit again with their interest rates or whatever the fuck. So yeah, we just gotta wait longer. That's all that means to me. We just gotta wait longer. And you got more opportunity to buy all that good stuff. So yeah, what's up, Via Night? Shug? What's up? What's up, Shug? How you doing? Good. Just yeah, I expected this somewhere around. I was expecting it around 100, but no, we decided to go to 108. So I don't know. We'll see how far down it goes. Fuck, dude. Just like straight up, dude. Holy shit. So yeah, I don't think it's gonna go. I wouldn't be worried too much. I think Daddy Trump's gonna come in here and pump the shit out of this market here in about a month or so. So yeah, let's do it. Let's go. And yeah, so we got 2 entries out there so far. Yeah, by the dips. There you go. That's what you do. And yeah. Let's see. Bruh. Here we go. I guess we're gonna make it short and sweet today. You know we're gonna come on. She-Wolf, come on down. She-Wolf, good stuff. Volatility. What do we got left? We got 663 remaining so far. Here we go. Bada boom, bada bing. All right. Who's next? Who's it gonna be?
Yeah, boy!
Whoops. There we go. Roller! Come on down. Come on down. Robar She-Wolf today. Congrats. Congrats. Let's see. Robar. Mm-hmm. Oh wow, it's him and his wife or whatever, I think. Or they're probably just the same person. That's a likely story. More likely story. He's on two computers. Oh, what is that? Okay, Robot. Here we go. We may never know. But congrats to you two for being the power couple today, taking it away. And yeah, let's see if we can get a note in here or something.
Back for like a month or two.
No, do you feel like hopping on the stream, or are you good today? What?
Yeah, I could come on. I mean,
We got anything to talk about since the fucking market just tanked hard? Yeah, if you want to come on for a few minutes, we don't have to...
I hate to say it, but I've been saying it for the last couple of weeks that this thing is probably going to do this.
Yeah, we've been saying it. I thought it was going to do it. I thought it wasn't going to get past 100, but here we are.
Well, you had a little bit of exuberance.
It took a round trip.
Did you get?
But yeah, if you want to come on, I'm here.
Yet?
I'm on the stream right now.
All right. I'll pop on this.
All right, see you. Cool. All right, we're gonna have some chart porn, ladies and gentlemen. So, yeah, chart porn coming soon. In the meantime, what is this? Chart racing action. Before I got that was before I got Oh yeah, because I was racing Shane then. I was racing his Corvette. I beat him that time. What up? What's going on?
What's going on? All right, so I will say.
So yeah, give us the news. Yeah, G Baby was not the play yesterday, huh?
No, G Baby's fine, dude. I mean,
no, I think just dipped a little bit with everything else. But what's
Compound just broke out in a big way.
So what's up with this? Like, so we had another little Fed news thing today about the interest rates.
Yeah, they cut the rates. So but you know, I mean, just look at the S&P though. The S&P is just like up only. And
I know,
like what? Can the market continue this exuberance like this without a pullback? Probably not. This to me looks like a massive rising wedge pattern on the monthly time frame.
Yeah,
I
since
mean,
like 2012.
it hasn't broke down yet. But if this breaks down, you guys know what happens, right? Like we had something similar here, right? Yeah, I have this kind of plotted. If that happens, the market's just going to get fucking smoked for a while. I mean, this looks like shit. I mean, almost every oscillator is overbought, dude, with bearish divergence.
Yeah.
I mean, you're at really high time frames, like they look okay, but I don't know. I mean, I wouldn't want to be owning the S&P up here right now, right this second. Here, I mean, look, your weekly just kind of crossed down. We didn't get a sell signal just yet on the weekly, but if the market continues selling off, you will definitely get a sell signal by the Friday. And yeah, man, I mean, we could end up breaking the structure, bouncing here probably, and then back testing it as resistance, and then coming down some more. It might just end up going to like 510 or whatever, but that's a pretty big drawdown for the S&P. That's a 13% pullback, man. That's
wiping out trillions.
Yeah, it is. It is. It's going to wipe out like $3 or $4 trillion. Yeah.
Yeah. Well.
And then your dollar is breaking the fuck out. Broke the neckline today with the Fed rate cut. And the problem is that the U.S. 10-year, the rates are bullish, dude. These aren't bearish. Like these are only going up, dude. This was a descending broadening formation. Bro, we're in for a lot higher rates on the 10-year.
Mm-hmm.
And that's why we're probably not going to see any more rate cuts for a while, dude. So what's going to probably happen is these markets are going to correct themselves here for like the next month, maybe two.
Yeah.
Basically, I think until inauguration or something.
Yeah, Daddy Trump.
Yeah, and then he's gonna turn on the fucking money printer after they dump the shit out of the market, and they need to prop it back up. And then he's gonna print like $30 trillion or whatever he's gonna do.
Just buy a bunch of Bitcoin.
Just buy a bunch of everything, yeah. Because like the high time frame charts, like on like these altcoins and stuff, are still like mega bullish. You know, like look at the others dominance chart is still down here at the bottom of the channel.
Yeah,
I mean, good. The monthly looks good, right? It just crossed up. That's your altcoins. I mean, like this is at resistance right now, getting fucking slammed because Bitcoin dominance is just ripping. But I think, here's what I think. So I think after the whole market pulls back against the dollar here, the altcoins are going to start to outperform Bitcoin. So we're definitely gonna be in for some short-term pain against dollars right now. But if you look at like the Bitcoin ratio, I mean, this thing still is like, it looks like shit, really. But it's just down here, bro. Like it's in the
buy zone.
It's in the buy zone, right? Like there's no ignoring the fact that the monthly RSI is oversold at a 29 reading. Okay.
Yeah.
So this low from January of 2020 to this high was a year. So from here to, let's just say, next November, I think Ethereum will outperform Bitcoin for the next year.
Yeah.
It'll probably get to that trend line, and that'll be the end of its run.
Nice.
I mean, it could end up breaking the trend line, but why even risk that if you're trading the ratio, right? You just trade the trend line. Call it a day. That's going to be a big move, probably.
Yeah, big move.
Yeah. So against the dollar, I mean, if it does that, let's just say it does do that. That could mean that this breaks to, 8% of a Bitcoin, while Bitcoin maybe is trading, 150K or something, right?
Right.
So what's 10% of a Bitcoin up there would be 15K. Yeah. So 8% is like $12,000 ETH in a year from now.
Okay.
That's what that chart basically is alluding to, saying.
One more year, let's go.
It may not take that long, but I'm just trying to give you an idea.
Yeah.
That's
okay though. I mean, it's still lines up with the 4-year cycle narrative. So
yeah, I think especially if they're going to cool this market off here for a couple weeks or even a month, that gives us some more time to make these movements, right, on the price.
Yeah.
So Yeah, I mean that makes some sense. Even though Bitcoin pulled back, like, what did it really pull back? Like 6%? Like, I mean,
I mean, yeah, nothing.
yeah, in the grand scheme of things, it didn't really do shit. Like,
Yeah.
I think if we're really gonna get a pullback, dude, it's really gonna go back to like 70K, 72K.
Right.
Okay, and that.
Where do you think it's going right now?
Yeah,
Definitely going down.
I think it's still really hyper bullish, even though like we're getting this drawdown right now.
Yeah.
So right now we have support here at like 100K, basically where we're at.
Mm-hmm.
But like if we start to lose this uptrend,
Yeah.
there's nothing here. So like it can just go straight back down to 72K.
Woo!
Right? Think about it.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, you have this trend line here. You could theoretically say maybe it just goes
wash everybody out in the fucking.
In theory, it could like bounce here at like 89K and like attempt another rally.
Yeah.
If they really want to bring this bad boy back down to buy it, because they might want to do that, especially if they're going to be wanting
just
to
liquidate everybody.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know what's probably going to get wrecked if Bitcoin gets wrecked? MicroStrategies. Look at this chart.
Nice.
This is going to get hosed. Check this out. Look at the monthly on this. I was looking at this today. I was like, man, should I short this thing? Like, look at I mean, isn't that like monthly bearish divergence up there like that? Yeah.
What is that?
MicroStrategies.
Oh shit.
Dude, this thing is gone, but like, dude.
Look, it's sent, dude.
Yeah, it did. Sent hard.
Yeah.
Very, very, very hard. Like in December of 2022, it was a $13 stock, bro.
Yeah.
This probably would have been better to own than Bitcoin in terms of ROI, right?
No shit, dude.
Yeah. There you go, man. 36x, bro. 2 years.
It's not bad. That is not bad.
That's fucking excellent for a stock, dude. What do you want? What do you want?
No, I know.
The stock giving you 30x?
Where the fuck were we at when MicroStrategy was $13?
I mean, it was December of 22. We were probably looking at Bitcoin fucking at
we were degenerating in here somewhere.
Yeah, we weren't looking at this. You know what though? There's some of these like fucking quantum stocks that look crazy right now. Like this one right here, dude. It's wedge break. I called this out at $4, bro. $4. It's trading $40 right now in 2 months, man. 10x.
Jeez.
Like, this is trading like a crypto, dude. This is trading like a crypto.
Yeah.
And this isn't even close to done. Look at the monthly. It's at 44, man.
Wow.
What, dude? Monthly squeeze? What?
Well.
Holy, that looks like drip, but like better.
Drip.
Right?
Every little drip chart.
Anyways, yeah, we'll see what kind of big drawdown we get here. I think we're gonna get one, but it might be like slow going because the dollar, the tether dollar is weak, right? I mean, it could start to, this is my real concern right here on the monthly RSI. If this holds, you make monthly bullish divergence on the RSI. And that is like saying, hey, get the fuck out of risk assets and get into a fucking stable coin and protect your money, because that's what that's saying, Yeah. And by the end of this month, if this thing isn't getting wrecked, I'm probably going to de-risk a bunch of shit. Just because the chart's my boss, dude. Like, I don't make the rules. The chart makes the rules.
Yeah.
I mean, what does that mean for Pulse Chain? I don't know what it means for Pulse Chain. Pulse Chain does what Pulse Chain wants to do.
Pulse Chain don't look too bad, I guess, right?
In comparison, no. Doesn't really look bad at all. I mean, wrap Bitcoin is just still sitting up here at $1,200. I thought this
Right.
thing was easily going to be down at $700 by now. But I mean, that looks like it's going to probably get there and just going to take some more time. But I will say, look at the volume; it's receding. There's not really not a lot of people really selling this thing right now up here.
Yeah.
Even though they probably should be. But they probably realize, or they're in the camp of, oh, this is going to go to peg, so why the fuck would I sell it?
Yeah. That's, I think, the narrative is like.
Yeah, I know. But like narrative schmerative. Like, let's be real, because the charts are the charts, and
exactly, the bots are the bots, and they'll still fuck up your narrative.
Yeah, I mean, they're going to fuck up your narrative. It's just
for
like
a little bit. Short term, you're going to be like, oh, it's going to go down.
I mean, I did okay because I sold a lot of them at like 2K, but like, you know, I've been rolling around into different shit, and like, you know, I don't know, man. It's tough. It's not an easy thing to really trade, but you know, like the 8 hour here, down here at 31 on the RSI, and you know, to me, this looked like it had some divergence. I mean, this is a smaller time frame, but like but a small time frame move can pop this back into this range. I mean, maybe it just does this and it goes to like 1400, and then we make this descending triangle up here, and we really complete this pattern. And like, you know, this says 100%, so like really, it's like a 50% drawdown. You know, once it breaks $1,200, which puts you, you know, right at that $600-700 region. Because it may not do the full move down. It maybe does half the move down. So yeah, $800-900 Bitcoin, dude, right?
All right.
I mean, that's not bad though. Like, who cares?
As long as because if that ratio drops, then I can roll some of the ink back and get more.
Well, here's the ratio, right? So if ink is 398 right now, yeah, dude, and this candle right here, to be fair, is another like nasty fucking reversal candle, right? That's not like something I'd be like excited about to see, you know, the ratio.
Right.
So this is probably going to come at least down to test this super trend at 260s, which is 50%, which lines up with the descending triangle against US dollar. But
right.
Is ink? I mean, if Bitcoin and all of them go down, ink's going to go down too, but it probably won't go down 50%. It's telling you maybe it goes down 15 or 20% versus the dollar, which helps you on the ratio side. Anyways, yeah. So this is kind of what I'm looking at right now, and I think it's good to have an idea about what these things might do. So you can position your capital accordingly. You know, if you're, you know, a long-term investor, you probably don't need to really worry about this too much. But if you're, you know, trying to trade these markets, you should be aware of this stuff. You know, what's a good indicator also is the MMRI indicator, which is this famous. He's not. I mean, he's still alive today, but his name is Gregory Mannarino, and he's a stock guy. And he developed this risk indicator, and basically all it is the dollar, the DXY, divided by the US 10-year, and it's a ratio. And every single time the ratio, you know, gets into this 300 region, like the stock market becomes very high risk, right? So the only way for this to become less risky or moderately risky is if the dollar and the 10-year go down, right?
Right.
So it's really high risk to be in the stock market right now. And it makes sense. Look at the S&P. It's all the way up in the fucking moon. Like, do you really want to have a lot of risk right now in the stock market? Probably not. Probably not. And it probably goes to the same story with owning Bitcoin up here. It becomes higher risk. You know? Things like, you know, Pulse Chain or like PRC20 tokens that are like zero valuations. Well, those are a lot lower risk to be in. Right. I mean, yes, they're also a lot more speculative to be in too, though.
Right.
So that is the risk for being in
a lot more Jeets.
Yeah. But in terms of like, you know, Ethereum or like some of these other major alts that haven't really, you know, broke all-time highs, or like they're still kind of medium risk to be in. Like Avalanche down here, I don't think is very risky to be in at all. Like, look at this chart. Does this look like a high risk thing to be in? No, it doesn't. It doesn't. So, like, this is the type of shit that, like, yeah, we're going to get a pullback here for maybe a couple days, maybe a week, and then these things are just going to start flying off the chart.
The alts are going to start taking over, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're close to that. I think maybe by the end of the year. A couple weeks.
Right on. Well, let's do it.
Yeah, we'll see how this plays out. I'm not going to be perfect with it, but as long as I'm able to capture it. Like, even look at Hex down here. Look at the monthly chart. Does this look like high risk to be in down here? No.
That's what we got about.
This looks like low risk shit to be in. So you want to be taking a lot of risk in it.
That E-Hex flipping for some P-Hex.
Well, I'm flipping it for some of those PRCs right now because those fly quick, and then you roll it back you take the profit and you roll it back into the Hex.
Yeah. No, that's cool. However you want to do it. However you want to do it.
Or just smatter some risk, like, small amount of risk in them. And, one day you wake up and it's like blowing up your portfolio, Fucking compound goes to like $50 or something. You wake up.
Mm-hmm.
Holy shit. Yeah. So that's kind of what I'm looking at right now. It's a little dicey with the tether chart, but it is what it is. I have no control over it. Nobody else has control over it. I think even things like Kusama down here, does this look like a higher risk thing to be in down here? No.
Yep.
Solana, I would say, Solana is higher risk to be in because look where it is on the chart. It's all the way the fuck up here. You know what? Let's look at Sol versus ETH. I bet you that ratio is in the fucking moon, and they're all going to roll. I mean, dude, yeah, exactly. Check it out. Check out the monthly. No. They should all be selling their Solana for ETH up here. Down here it was roll all your ETH for Solana, and up here it's roll all your Solana for ETH.
Very simple.
I mean, the chart's telling you what to do. It's simple. Roll it all for ETH, or roll it all into some lower cap, or this is
roll it all into Pulse Chain is what they're gonna do.
Okay. Here, this is a massive.
Pulse Chain is gonna start firing off.
This is a massive rising wedge versus ETH.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wouldn't be too. I mean, against the dollar, yeah, Solana can probably break its high or something, right? But against ETH, I think ETH should start outperforming it. It's like very clear.
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll see how this all plays out. But the probability for ETH to start outperforming Solana up here is pretty good.
Well, yeah.
We'll see. I mean, your quarterly chart. Yeah, look, your 3-month chart is a 70 on the RSI. It's already in this. It's like already like, all right, man, this thing already had a nice run against ETH. You could have made a shitload of ETH if you rolled all your ETH down here for it, and you caught this fucking move. You would have 10x your ETH position in Solana, right? Let's just say you rolled 20 ETH down here. You just made 200 ETH. That's fucking lit.
Yeah. That is lit.
Yeah. Like ETH didn't do anything. What did ETH do this cycle? Was that like what, $900 bottom, and it's sitting at fucking 3,800, 3,600 right now? What is that, like 3x, 4x? It's nothing. Bitcoin crushed it. Yeah, I think ETH is due for a major ripper titties.
Yeah. Okay.
TVL pulling back right now, but yeah, I mean, they're all going to pull back right now, so it's just a waiting game now.
So good.
What else do you guys want to talk about? Any other assets you guys like? CRV looking good. CRV, right?
Oh yeah. And the old ST ETH, that had a nice pump.
Ooh, dude, come on. You got to give me some credit on that wedge break yesterday.
Yeah, it was good, yeah.
Woke up this morning, the thing was up 200%.
Yeah.
Bang.
Yeah, that's crazy.
If this plays out, man, this is a big move. Big move.
I know.
70 million market cap is what it's pointing to right now if it breaks out.
Yeah.
And it could happen really fast. Really fast. I don't know what's driving this though. Why is this thing going up? Do you know?
Just all the FOMO. I mean,
so there's nothing really happening with RH in this token?
I don't know. I don't think so. But just you're gonna start seeing like all these fucking start doing shit. People speculate and money starts flowing in and then people get rich or wrecked.
most people are gonna get wrecked, yeah.
Yeah.
Speaking of wrecked, dude, this Opus coin fucking wrecking my ass.
Ooh, speaking of wrecked. Damn.
Yeah, I charted this last night. I was like, man, this looks like a rising wedge.
Yeah.
On the market cap chart. Yeah. Well, I'm wrecked on this. I'm probably down like 30% or something right now. Yikes. If this trend line breaks, I'm just going to cut the trade. I mean, right now, technically on the daily, it just broke it. But, yeah. Oh, well. I tried. I was in a profit for a minute when it did this, and then it did this. Because the whole market pulled back. Yeah, I mean, TA is good for... There's only so much you can really do, And hopefully this is making some bullish divergence here, and we get a push back up, and I can maybe get out of some of this shit. But I'm not buying any more of this right now. No way. No shot. Nope. If Tether wasn't doing the things that it's doing right now, I would probably rip more into this, but no. I think Solana is going to continue down for a bit. And it broke below 215 today. That was a big level for it. This level right here, dude, this 215 level on Solana, it was holding that.
Yeah.
It was holding that, and everything just decided to shit the bed.
Oh, shit.
What did this guy? Oh, yeah, bull flag, man. How's that working out?
Oh, my God, that's funny.
People suck on trading, dude. They really don't, dude. Most of them have no idea.
It's like it's gonna break, and you hit the play button. It's just fucking wrecked.
Yeah. Here, let's go push the play button on some of mine. I mean, I didn't get them all good, but the difference is I was posting these like a year and a half ago, so I had a really good chance of being right on them.
Yeah.
Let's see. Oh, Hex. I posted Hex December 25th.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, let's see what happened there. The price was really 005. That makes sense. Oh, yeah. Well, I thought this was the. Well, I guess I got that wrong. Right.
Yeah, well, that was like that whole. Everybody merged the pulse chain, and then there was that the FUD from Richard Hardy himself.
I couldn't have known that, but here you go, Arbitrum, the 2-day double bottom down here. This was good, probably.
Oh yeah, and the bank
that broke out, dude. This thing went to fucking $3. Yeah.
EHEX survives. If EHEX survives all the fucking bullshit that it's been through, like.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Here's Avalanche, man. $10 entry given here. Boom.
Yeah.
That is beautiful.
Oh
yeah, man. There's some good ones I've posted on here. Aptos. This one was pretty good. $5 entry. Break. Nice break right out of there.
Wow.
Yeah, man. I don't know, dude. Like, there's. Yeah, I mean, I do the best that I can do. I mean, listen.
Yeah.
This is a game of probabilities. So like,
it could be looking like the best setup ever, and then it just fucking.
Here, sushi swap, dude. This broke out and went to like $2.
FTX is your ass.
Yeah. Oh, Ave. I gave the Ave call. Look at this. $55 Ave down here.
Yeah.
That thing is gone, dude.
Oh, yeah. Boner.
Yeah.
Yeah. It took a little bit to play out, but.
Dogecoin here. Look at the Dogecoin entry. I gave 6 cents.
Yeah.
Let's push play on that.
Yep.
See ya. Yeah.
TA's fake.
The TA is fake. Radium down here. Look at this. 19 cents I gave a Radium call, dude. Bye.
Later.
Yeah, if you just took some of these, just like if you took some of these trades, you'd have made a lot of fucking money, man. You know.
Yeah.
Oh, let's look at total DeFi. That's I haven't looked at that chart in a while. That's a good chart to look at. Oh, well, that looks like it's putting a pullback. Yeah, rectangle bottom breakout. Yeah, that's interesting. The monthly looks pretty crazy on it though. Still, I think yeah, this is gonna break. This right here, it reminds me of a lot of what this was here. If you look carefully, that this rectangle is, you know, a shorter span of rectangle down here, but it's the same like accumulation structure that this was. Yeah. So like, it probably does something like this and goes to the top of the rising wedge. It goes to like 1.3 trillion or something, 10x. DeFi, total DeFi.
Yeah, that'd be good.
I mean, even if it gets to like 5x, you know, it's still pretty good from here. 700.
We'll be rich, right?
I mean, if Pulse Chain PRC DeFi coins like even capture a quarter of that, then yeah. We're gonna be rich. Yeah, very rich. My whole issue is like how the fuck are we gonna get out of these things?
There should be so much fucking liquidity that we don't have to worry about it, dude.
You think so?
Yeah, if he starts fucking power pumping this shit with fucking just printing his own fucking money and shit, dude, like the Fed. I mean, come on.
Well, like the sack daddy bag right now is down, isn't it? 36.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, it's down now. It was up, but
but he didn't do anything. He didn't do anything when it was up. He's just watching it.
No, he's just waiting, dude. He's doing the long play on this shit.
All right, so
he's gonna be along for the ride.
These candles like this right here. This is telling you a monthly.
I'm hanging on tight.
Monthly continuation signal. Okay, so I think ETH probably breaks out next month.
Okay,
end of this year, into January ish. That's what that looks like to me.
I mean, it's all lining up perfectly, like with the inauguration, and I think everything's 2025 is gonna be a good year. We're gonna be fucking crushing it.
Yeah. Well, a couple more weeks. Hang in there, boys.
If we can't handle the downs, we don't deserve the ups. There's going to be fucking big ass ups. So we just got to fucking sit and wait. Hold on tight, guys. What do you say? Someone needs to make a token that tracks total DeFi to investing?
I think they have one of those, dude. They have
like a derivative or something.
They have a DeFi index token, I think.
Right.
Somewhere they have it, I think. I don't know how liquid it is or anything like that, but yeah, I'm pretty sure they have it.
All right. Well, shout out to you, Mr. Noted Off. Thanks for coming on today. Appreciate it. You guys can check him out. Tell them where they can find you at. Well, you can usually find him in our Telegram right down there at the bottom of the screen.
Yeah,
we're in the voice chat all day.
Usually in the DJ Telegram.
He's also got his little trading thing. If you want to show that.
Yeah, I mean, I don't really give about it too much. Really, I don't, man.
We also got the Node NFTs. If you've been here a while, you know what's going on. We got a lot of shit going on. But yeah, it's been a fun ride. And thanks for everybody coming on today. Yeah, I'm gonna get off here. We're gonna get some chicken stew cooking behind me, so we're gonna get that ready and all that good stuff. And yeah, let's get those gains on the pulse chain. All right, good. Peace.
The door for sure, I'm chilling with the DJ protocol. We come to represent and we don't give a
That's the BlackSheep token. That's the token I care the least about.